Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young man named Ahmed. His family was poor, but Ahmed had a big dream. He wanted to become a successful businessman. Every morning, Ahmed helped his father in a small grocery shop. He watched carefully how customers were treated and how goods were sold, while other children spent their free time playing. Ahmed spent his time learning about business. When Ahmed grew older, he saved every rupee he earned. After many years, he had enough money to open a tiny store of his own. The shop was small, but Ahmed worked hard. He opened early and closed late. Most importantly, he was honest with his customers. People trusted Ahmed because he never cheated anyone. His reputation spread throughout the town. Soon, more customers visited his shop every day. As his business grew, Ahmed opened another store and then another. He hired workers and treated them kindly. He believed that a successful business should help others as well. One day, a flood struck the town. Many families lost their homes and belongings. Ahmed used his money to provide food, clothes, and shelter for those in need. The people were grateful for his generosity. Years passed. Ahmed became one of the richest businessmen in the country. Reporters often asked him the secret of his success. He always replied, "Hard work, honesty, kindness are the keys to success." Ahmed never forgot his humble beginnings. He continued helping the poor and creating jobs for people. His success inspired many young people to follow their dreams. Although Ahmed had become a wealthy businessman, he never stopped learning. He read books about business, leadership, and innovation every day. One year, a new shopping center opened in the city. Many customers began shopping there instead of visiting Ahmed's stores. Sales started to fall, and some people warned him that his business might fail. Instead of giving up, Ahmed looked for ways to improve. He listened carefully to his customers and asked what they needed. He renovated his stores, introduced better products, and trained his employees to provide excellent service. Slowly, customers began returning. They appreciated the quality and honesty that Ahmed's business offered. Within a few years, his company became stronger than ever. As his success grew, Ahmed decided to support young entrepreneurs. He created a program that provided training and small loans to people who wanted to start their own businesses. One of the young entrepreneurs was a boy named Bilal. He had a dream of opening a bakery but lacked the money and experience. Ahmed mentored him, teaching him the importance of hard work and honesty. With Ahmed's guidance, Bilal's bakery became successful. Soon, many other young business owners benefited from Ahmed's support. One evening, Bilal asked Ahmed, "Why do you spend so much time helping others when you could simply enjoy your wealth?" Ahmed smiled and replied, "True success is not measured by how much money you earn. It is measured by how many lives you improve." Bilal never forgot those words. As the years passed, Ahmed's company continued to grow, but his greatest achievement was not his wealth. It was the thousands of people whose lives had improved because of his kindness, leadership, and generosity. Ahmed's reputation as a successful and generous businessman spread across the country. People admired not only his business skills but also his character. One day, Ahmed received an invitation to speak at a national business conference. Thousands of young entrepreneurs attended the event. They were eager to learn the secrets of his success. When Ahmed stepped onto the stage, the audience applauded loudly. A young woman in the crowd asked, "Sir, what was the biggest challenge you faced in your life?" Ahmed thought for a moment and replied, "The biggest challenge was not lack of money. It was overcoming fear and doubt. There were many times when I wanted to quit, but I kept moving forward." His words inspired everyone in the hall. After the conference, Ahmed returned home and visited the small grocery shop where he had once worked with his father. The shop was old, but it held many memories. As he stood there, he remembered the days when he had only a few coins in his pocket and a dream in his heart.